Hi, and welcome back to the Independent Investment Banking course. This is lesson number 8, Origination of Investment Banking Opportunities from Corporate Issuers. So this is Investment Banking University's flagship course. Really excited that you're tuning in. We're getting into the thick of it now, and we're going to hop right into it. So in terms of an introduction to origination of investment banking opportunities, it involves identifying and cultivating relationships with corporate entities to meet their financial needs through tailored investment banking solutions. So in this lesson, we're going to be talking about origination, emphasize the importance of relationship building, market research, understanding the needs of the entity or of the enterprise, strategic advisory, in structuring financing solutions, and maintaining relationships. All of the things that are typically done at a higher level at an investment bank versus a lot of the training that you're going to get when it comes to analyst and associate, financial modeling and evaluation, which is obviously the crucial technical work to generate the insights to get people to take investment decisions. But here at Investment Banking University, we're really trying to help you grow into that either independent investment banker or somebody who's going to build a career around this and rise to VP and above, director, MD at any of these investment banks. So in terms of building relationships, we're talking about proactive engagement. So usually what ends up happening is investment bankers are going to be meeting with corporate executives by attending industry conferences, networking events, scheduling regular meetings, maybe just even having simple calls or updating them when it comes to either newsletters or other reports that are generated and sent out to these clients. There can be meetings that are on a regular cadence to discuss any updates that are happening or any strategic goals of the organization. So in terms of establishing trust, key decision makers, having trust with them is essential for gaining insights into their financing needs, as well as growth plans, laying the groundwork for potential collaboration. So strong relationships facilitate future collaboration, positioning investment bankers as trusted advisors who can offer timely and relevant financial solutions. So when we're talking about really laying the groundwork for insights that entities and corporates can take action on to increase value, we're talking about the ability to generate market research through analysis, staying informed and providing valuable insights. So monitoring industry's trends, we're going to talk a little bit about index building and how, what that does and why that's important in order to stay on top of what's happening from a trend standpoint, market dynamics, competitive landscapes, and economic indicators to understand the corporate issuer's market position and opportunities in the industry. So in terms of staying informed, we're talking about keeping updated on emerging opportunities, regulatory changes, technological advancements, market challenges which enable investment bankers to anticipate and respond to corporate needs effectively. Providing insights, through rigorous market research, investment bankers can offer strategic advice to address the specific challenges and opportunities facing issuers and decision-making capabilities. So once we gain some trust by updating the client on market happenings in the industry, we're going to then have to do a little bit of a needs analysis, a little bit of discovery is what we call it. So in discovery, we need to understand, needs of the organization. So in-depth discussions with issuers regarding their current financial position, growth objectives, operational challenges, and potential capital requirements. So once we understand these objectives in terms of short-term and long-term financial goals, we can then start to tailor solutions, whether it's equity and debt offerings, mergers and acquisitions, strategic partnerships, really to solution map those particular products to the problems or challenges that are happening. And this involves providing strategic advisory regarding capital structure optimization, evaluating growth opportunities, and innovative financing solutions. So when it comes to advising on the optimal mix of debt equity hybrid instruments to balance the cost of capital, risk, and flexibility, ensuring the company's financial health and growth position, that's one of the priorities of an investment banker. Analyzing potential acquisitions, divestitures, all of these strategic alternatives in order to generate opportunities and help to evaluate them from a financial standpoint is something that you're going to be involved in, particularly the analyst and associate. And then ultimately developing and recommending financing solutions tailored to the corporate issuer's specific circumstances in terms of leveraging market knowledge and financial expertise to achieve the best outcome. So in terms of structuring financing solutions, Really what we're talking about is assessing various financing options, such as IPOs, secondary offerings, private placements, convertible securities, debt issuances, etc., and then understanding the market conditions and investor appetite for those very products so that we can match them accordingly. In terms of optimal capital raising, we're collaborating closely with the corporate issuer to finalize the structure, pricing, and timing of the financing solution, ensuring it aligns with the issuer's objectives and market conditions for capital raising. So in terms of presenting and negotiation, clearly what we need to do is we need to be able to win the business first. So what we've done is we built trust through market research. We've gone about doing some discovery or needs analysis. Now we're starting to solution map potential solutions to fit those needs in terms of presenting pitch books or pitch decks for particular strategic alternatives regarding those needs. So in terms of compelling pitch materials, we're preparing detailed and persuasive pitch materials, including financial models, market analysis, case studies, all of that good stuff, as well as the track record of the investment bank or investment banker. And we're engaging corporate issuers in terms of conducting those presentations and meetings in order to gain buy-in that this is the right strategic alternative for their particular need. So we're showcasing that solution in terms of tailoring that presentation to the proposed financial solution, and how that can meet the issuer's specific needs, and ensuring a clear understanding of the benefits and potential outcomes. Once we win that mandate, we need to maintain the relationship going forward. So we have continuous support in terms of regular updates, market developments, being that trusted advisor, also for repeat business. So for any additional, needs that or options that they're looking to realize, we can be that trusted advisor for them. So just a couple of case studies here. We can talk about those a little bit later in terms of successful originations. But that's ultimately what we're looking to do, and really the role of senior bankers in an investment bank. So just in conclusion, facilitating capital raising or any other strategic transactions, as well as growth advisory, or all different products at an investment bank, and origination, the primary responsibility of a senior banker is something we just talked about right now. So hopefully that was really helpful and insightful, guys. Stay tuned. 90 plus lessons here. We're really getting into the thick of it now. Talk soon.